If quick share is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S25, here's what you can do in order to try to fix that issue. So first of all, we want to go to settings, go to connected devices, and let's choose quick share at the top. The first thing that you can check is who can share with you, because by default this option is set to contacts only, so sometimes you might need to switch it to everyone. Besides that, you can select or uncheck the option only for 10 minutes, so if it's selected, then after 10 minutes it will switch back and disable the everyone option. So in case you don't have the contact saved, then you want to set it to everyone. Besides that, what you can also check is this option, show available devices on share panel. You want to make sure that this option is enabled, and you might also need to turn on this option, allow sharing over internet, which allows you to create a direct connection to the other device if if the direct connection is not available, then in that case the Wi-Fi or mobile data can be used instead. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!